Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching ports and power. That saves time. First, confirm your set-top box output and your Android TV input. HDMI is preferred for video and audio together. Once done, plug power into both units and wait for the boot screens. Make sure lights indicate standby or on. Next, connect the HDMI or AV cable firmly. A loose HDMI causes no picture. This step ensures signal flow, so you can focus on configuration rather than chasing loose plugs. With the physical link made, you configure the signal. You select the TV input that matches your connection. Use the input or source button so the Android launcher shows the set-top feed. Then, go into settings on the Android TV, navigate to inputs or external devices, and confirm the box is recognized. Set the resolution to match your TV. Pick 1080p or 4K for best quality. Also enable audio pass-through for surround sound. This preserves Dolby or DTS when available. Finish by verifying controls and channel tuning so viewing starts smoothly. Pair or test the set-top remote with the Android TV and make sure nothing blocks IR or Bluetooth. Rebind if commands fail. If you see no signal, power cycle both devices, swap the HDMI cable or try a different TV port. Often cables or ports are the culprit. If problems persist, factory reset the set-top as a last resort. But first confirm you've backed up favorites and channel lists.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.